viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be solving a question which is simplify 3 whole number 2 all over 3 plus 3 divided by 7 minus 4 divided by 5, and the B is 5 whole number 1 all over 8 minus 2 whole number 3 all over 5. That is addition and subtraction of fractions. Now let us get down to work. Solution. Just pick the first one. A is 3 whole number 2 over 3 plus 3 over 7 minus 4 over 5. Now you can see here we have 3 whole number 2 all over 3 plus 3 over 7 minus 4 over 5. Now let us try to turn this one to look like a proper fraction, like this one, to be like this one, the same thing. So by doing so, is what we do. 3, you take the denominator to multiply the whole number here. This is a whole number, this one is in decimal. If you can divide this, you will have 0 point something. So this is the whole number. So now take the denominator, which is this one, multiply this one. That is 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. Now 9 plus, now you take the answer and add with this one. That is 9 plus 2. That will give us what? 11. Now you put 11, divide by the denominator, which is here, which is 3, plus 3 divided by 7, which is this one, minus 4 divided by 5. That is the of what we did here. The 3 whole number 2 all over 3. What we do, this is equal to this times this, that is 3 times 3 plus this plus the 2, which is the whole. Then you will have this, all this we divide by this 3. That's what we did there, and that will give you 11 divided by 3, and that is what we have here. Now the next step is, what is the lowest common multiple of 3, 7 and 5? That is lowest common multiple. That is the least number that can divide by 3, divide 7 and divide 5. And what is that number? What is that number? You know, 21 can divide 3, divide 7, but can't divide 5, so it can't work. Then 5 here, 35 can divide 7 and 5, but cannot divide 3. It can't work. So let us, the easiest way to have something like this is, if you have something like this, instead of cracking your head to cracking your brain to look for a number that this can go inside, just go straight and multiply the denominators. Then what you have, just use it and you arrive at the answer. Now we have 3, 7, 5. 3 times 7 will give us 21. Then 21 times 5, punch your calculator, that will give us 105. So now our LCM will say is 105. Now draw a line, drop down 105, which is your LCM. Now 105 divided by 3, the first fraction, the denominator of the first fraction. 105 divided by 3, it will give us what? 105 divided by 3, it will give us 35. Now 35 times denominator in the first fraction. First, what you do is, let me write it, 35 times 11. You use the denominator, you divide this by the denominator, you get the answer and multiply by denominator. You use the down, you divide this by the down, get the answer and multiply by the top. That is what we do. So this into this will give us 35, then times 11. What is the sign between? Is plus, put plus. Then 7 into 105, that is 105 divided by 7. It will give us 15. So 15 times this 3, that is open bracket 3, close again, minus, because of this sign, minus 5 into 105, that is 105 divided by 5. It will give us what? It will give us 21. So 21 times the top, which is 4, then put 4 in bracket and close. Now let us open the brackets. 35 times 11, punch your calculator, it will give us 385, plus 15 times 3, it will give us 45, minus 21 times 4, to give us 84. Now divide this by 105, this one. Now 385 plus 45 minus 84, that will give us 346, divide by the denominator. If you punch 385 plus 45 minus 84, it will give us this. Now, is there any number that can go into 346 and then 105? Is there any number that 346 can divide it without a remainder, and 105 too can divide without a remainder? I'm not sure there's a number like that. you can try it, but I'm not sure there's a number like that, so we can stop here. And that is the final answer. We have simplified. Now B, just go for B, which says 5 whole number 1 over 8 minus 2 whole number 3 over 5. This 2 whole number. You mind the way you write it. This is a whole number, so it will cover this and this and this. The whole number to cover this and this. So we just write 23 over 5 in place of this. No, it's not like that. You write it this way. You write it 2 whole number 3 over 5, like that. That is the proper way of writing it. So now let us apply the same principle we applied here. You can pause the video and try the same thing we did here on this one, then play it and see if you get it right. Then you are good to go. Now let us go. 8 times 5 will give us what? 8 times 5, that will give us 40. Then 40 plus 1, that will give us 41. Then we have 41 divided by 8 minus 5. Sorry, this question. Okay, yeah. Then 5 times 2 will give us what? 5 times 2 will give us 10. Then 10 plus 3 will give us what? 13 divided by 5. Now this is equal to, now what is the LCM of 8 and 5? That least number that 8 can go inside and 5 can go inside. Without wasting our time, let us just say 8 times 5. That will give us 40. So our LCM is equal to 40. So drop the line, put 40 under. Now 40 divided by 8, it will give us what? 40 divided by 8, it will give us 5. So 5 multiply this, that is open bracket 41. You take the denominator, you take this number, divide by the denominator, use the answer and multiply the denominator. Now coming to the second one, minus 5 here, how many times? 8 times, that is 40 divided by 5, 8 times. Then 8 here, open bracket, what's the denominator? 13, close bracket, and put 13 here, close the bracket. This will lead us to what? Let us see. 5 times 41. Let us punch our calculators. So 5 times 41, that will give us 205. 205 minus 8 times 13. The answer is 104. 104 divided by 40. This 40. And this will be equal to 205 minus 104. That is 205 minus 104. That will give us 101 divided by 40. Now, is there any number that can go into 101 and 40? I'm not sure. Highest, it will be 1. 1 here, it will be still be 101, and the 1 into 40 still be 40. So this is our last answer. Thank you for watching this video. Before you go, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for a new video alert. Thanks for watching once again.